My name is Bill Hartwell. We started thinking about solar because of the financial thing. We wanted to reduce our costs. We chose Semper Solaris. It just seemed like a very reputable company, and all the research we did pointed us in that direction. Our experience with Semper Solaris was 100% perfect, wonderful. I mean, every step of the way was, the people were wonderful. The timing of what they did, they came in and they said they were going to do something on a certain date, and they did it on that certain date, and they were in and out, and it was very painless and easy. The communication between pretty much every phase of the whole install and everything was perfect. They responded to any questions we did have. Just to look at that bill and to see that negative amount on there and to realize we're not paying the big electric bill, and it feels good to be part of the system that's providing a solution. Well, for people that are thinking about going solar, I would say go ahead and make the commitment, do your research. I would always recommend to check Semper first and just get the feedback from them, because like I said, we've had nothing but a very positive and great experience with them, and I would gladly recommend them to anybody that was looking to do this.